If you give a second grader a cookie, a collaboration between Miss Nipper's seventh graders and Miss Reed's second graders.
If you give Eddie a cookie by Moses, illustrated by Eddie Tizo. If you give Eddie a cookie, he will want some chocolate milk to go with it. If he gets a chocolate mustache, he will want to make a meme. If he wants to make a meme, he will ask for a phone. If he asks for a phone, he will want to play some games. If he wants to play some games, he will ask for a PS4. If he asks for a PS4, he will want to play Fortnite. After he plays Fortnite, he will want to take a nap. After his nap, he will be thirsty. He will want a cup of milk. If he wants a cup of milk, Eddie is going to want a cookie to go with it.
This book was a collaboration between Netzeberg seventh graders and second graders. About the illustrator.
Eddie Tiza is a fast runner. He is so fast that he can run to the stairs all the way to the wall. He likes learning new things. Also, he likes playing with his friends. He loves marshmallows, and also his favorite song is Lucid Dreams.